Alright guys, have you seen this wild trend that's quietly dominating YouTube right now? It's sneaking up under the radar, helping creators rack up millions of views while most people haven't even caught on yet. It's honestly kind of insane. Take this one channel. For example, it launched just a few months ago and already shot past 58,000 subscribers. Their content is blowing up. One of their videos has already hit over 4.3 million views, and it's still climbing. And get this, according to Social Blade, they're pulling in roughly $30,000 every single month just from ad revenue. That's not counting sponsorships, affiliate deals, or digital products. That's purely from YouTube itself. Yep, you heard that right. It's wild.
Straight from the path we were on. You've got no magic left.
But here's where it gets really exciting. This trend, it's still fresh, like early adopter levels of fresh, meaning if you get in now, you've got a real shot at growing fast and making some serious cash before this space gets oversaturated with copycats and wannabe gurus. And no, this isn't some hyped up fake make money overnight nonsense. This is a legit working strategy that's producing results right now. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. We're talking music generation, AI image creation, animation, thumbnail design, SEO optimization, the full blueprint. And I'll even break down the exact method behind that viral video's success. As a bonus, I've also put together a completely free PDF guide that lists every single AI tool I used, plus the exact prompts for each step. You can download it, links in the description. Let's kick things off with the heart of these videos, the music. Believe it or not, music plays a massive role in the success of these videos. It accounts for around 60% of the overall impact. That's why choosing the right soundtrack is non-negotiable. The best tool I've found for this is something called Music AI. It gives you free credits to generate tracks. And the best part, you own full rights to whatever you create. That means no copyright issues, no takedowns, and no stress. Once you sign up, links down below, you can explore trending tags like lo-fi, cinematic, or vintage holiday. But in this walkthrough, we're building something custom. Grab the music prompt from the PDF and toss it into ChatGPT. You'll get back a polished, professional-style music description. Copy that into Music AI, set it to instrumental only if you want no vocals, and hit generate. In seconds, you'll have two completely unique tracks ready to go. Pick the one that fits your vibe best and download it. Easy. Now let's move on to visuals. This is where your video starts to really come to life. After digging into dozens of top-performing videos, I found that certain image styles consistently get more watch time. It's not random, it's psychological. So to replicate that success, we're going to generate a batch of cinematic-style images that keep people glued to the screen. We'll use a tool called CG Dream, which makes things super easy with its built-in filters. Copy the second image prompt from the PDF and run it through either ChatGPT or Grok AI. Both work. For a 1-minute video, you'll want about 15 unique image prompts. If your video is longer, scale up accordingly. Once you've got your prompts, head into CG Dream, paste one in, and set your image ratio to 16.9 for widescreen. I recommend using the Flux model with dev quality turned on. Add filters like desert, realism, Egyptian, or whatever suits your theme. Click generate and boom, beautiful images. Pick the best ones and use the X2 upscale tool to sharpen them. Now let's create few extra images. For creating an additional image, first, copy the next prompt and paste it into a new chat in Grok AI. Generate 5 prompts for similar images. Head back to CG Dream, paste the first prompt. No need to tweak anything else and generate a couple of these images. Don't forget to enhance their quality afterward. Now it's time to animate them. Head over to Runway. This is where your static visuals start moving. Take the fourth prompt from the PDF and generate animation prompts using Grok AI. Once you have them, upload your image to Runway, paste in the prompt, choose your resolution and video length, and hit generate. Each animated clip will be smooth and surprisingly cinematic. Do this for all your images. Don't stress about the watermark. We'll cover it in the edit. To clean everything up and boost quality, open CapCut, go to Magic Tools Video Upscale, and run each clip through. CapCut will auto-enhance sharpness and clarity. Export the results and open a new CapCut project. Set your aspect ratio to 16.9, frame rate to 60 FPS and name your project. Import all your clips. Trim the intro down to about 4 seconds to keep things fast-paced, and adjust speed for any shorter clips that need a bit more breathing room. Use the speed tool to stretch them without causing visual glitches. Sprinkle in a few of your extra eye candy clips early in the video, around the third or fourth scene. These are key to hooking the viewer fast. Now, if your video ends up longer than your music track, just trim the audio to fit. Add transitions to smooth the flow. I recommend subtle ones like mix, dissolve, or then and now from the overlay section. Keep them snappy. 0.3 seconds is the sweet spot. Add a few visual effects using CapCut's free library and sync them to your visuals for added flair. To handle that runway watermark and add branding, use CapCut's text tool to drop your channel name over the watermark using a bold font and solid background. It looks clean, professional, and adds brand recognition. Also, flash your channel name in the first few seconds of the video. It sets the tone and helps with viewer recall. Finish with a light cinematic color filter. Set it between 50% and 60% intensity so it enhances without overpowering. Once everything looks crisp, go ahead and export. Now let's talk thumbnails and SEO. This is the stuff that gets people to actually click. Use one of your best AI-generated visuals as the thumbnail. Keep it minimalist but eye-catching. No clutter. For SEO, install the vidIQ browser extension. Go to a top-performing competitor's video and check the tags they're using. Copy those into your video metadata. For your title, grab their most popular one and feed it into ChatGPT's AI coach. Ask it to give you 10 fresh variations that are keyword-rich and optimized for clicks. Pick your favorite and run it through the AI coach again to generate a full YouTube description. Paste everything in, hit publish, and boom, you're live. Pro tip: if you run out of music credits, you can get more by inviting friends to Music AI or simply creating a second account. It's allowed and a great way to keep producing for free. And there you go. That's your first viral video, fully AI-powered, fully optimized, and ready to grow.